It is the Christmas season, and we all should be nice and kind to each other and blah, blah, blah. But hey, what the devil is wrong with some black people? Why are we so petty and paranoid about the color of our skin? Imagine Atletico Madrid and French international football star Antoine Griezmann decided to dress up for a costume party in an NBA All-Star gear with an afro wig and him black him face and him skin, obviously, because the most outstanding basketballers are black. So Griezmann, all in good Christmas fun, dress up and paint up like a black basketball star. And like clockwork, the baller is being called a racist, and he's insensitive, and he's mocking black people and blah, blah, blah. But in the context of a Christmas costume party, how in God's name is that racist? How is that disrespectful or demeaning to black people? I really don't understand these people. And like how Griezmann is supposed to be a racist for blackening his face, all of them black people who bleach them skin to get a little lighter, them are racist too. As are all those white people who come here to tan them skin to get a little darker. Them are racist too. No, you know, I said it already and I'm going to say it again. As a people and as a race, generally, black people are too sensitive, insecure, paranoid, and I think ashamed of the color of them skin. So if a mosquito bite them, them say the mosquito racist. Good God, any kind of reference or gesture or even a gimmick about the color of our skin is seen as racist? No, so well, I don't know. So like how the Maverick do this now, eh? I am a racist now. Maverick. The Maverick is a racist. Yes. Racist Maverick.